Has this ever happened to you? Somebody breaks in and tries to steal your Tosh. Hello, ladies. Give us your Tosh photo!
Not my Tosh!
This wouldn't happen. You just had a bishop knob. Get a brand new bishop knob!
My leg!
Only $49.95. Hello, ladies.
Thank you, Bishop Knob. You saved me and my Tosh. Look at our happy customers.
That'd be freaking great!
Yes.
I love a bishop knot!
Mr. Brandt, what do you think of the bishop
No,
knob?
wait, no.
Is that the doorknob that keeps burglars from breaking in?
Yeah, it is.
I think that is an awesome idea.
So tell me, how has the bishop knob affected your lifestyle?
Well, it's pretty much impossible to rob houses nowadays. I mean, I haven't been able to rob any houses in the past couple of weeks. You know, get my daily dose of cash and jewelry and all the works. It's a real bummer, and it's really hard for guys like us to get around.
I vomited on a small dog once. His name was Wolfie. I miss Wolfie.
It's okay. As you can see, the bishop knob has greatly affected him.
Why? Wolfie!
Ever since the bishop knob has been introduced, burglaries have gone down 135%. Thank you, Bishop Knob.
Bishop Knob.